Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw railings in MSCAD from MicroSurvey. You can see here I'm just going to go to the Draw 3D tab, and if I click on railings, I have a drop down with all the different types of railings that I can draw. I'm just going to leave mine on standard railing. And then when I click somewhere on the screen and drag my mouse, you can see I'm now dragging around a standard railing. I can then click to place a point and then continue dragging from there. Once I've got my whole railing drawn, I can just end that by pressing escape, and you can see I now have a three-sided railing. That's all for today's video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. If you liked today's video, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas on what you'd like to see here, and go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see this sort of stuff. As always, it keeps us going, gives us a reason to record more of these. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.